Welcome to Wiley Log Homes, a beautiful fall day here in Troutville, Virginia. Thought we'd use this opportunity to give you a little update on how this build's coming together. This is the one we're doing for ourselves. We're building this one here in Troutville. Got a little pond going on down here that's on its way to holding water. We're not quite there yet, but got this nice front porch all together. You walk up, got a nice covered porch. We're gonna have a swing in front of that window. Down there, the pond's starting to fill up a little bit. It's gonna feature some trout. Then go to the wide angle lens here. And doors and windows. So this is coming in the house. We've got some windows framed out on that end. They'll get cut out here after a bit. Got everything kind of stuffed and preliminary insulated. We've got windows framed on that end. And try to stand back here so you can see. We've got, of course, our work lights up, but got this dormer up here. The second floor is going to cover from that log over to that wall. There's going to be, we've got the outline of the floor plan here. So you're going to come in to kind of the living room, which will be this living area here. This back corner is going to be the kitchen, a little eat-in dining room. Right here is going to be a wall going back into a bedroom. This will be the door. And then back here where the scaffolding's at, where these tarps are, is going to be a little landing. That'll go back through this door here into a bathroom. A nice big bath. Right here's a washer dryer. And then this little square here is going to be stairs going up to the second floor. So we'll be going up. We got the windows in that dormer lined out as well. We got our ridge pole. Windows in the front. We're going to put a few more windows in. I don't have the kitchen cabinet layout just yet, so I'm kind of waiting to cut that one in until I figure out what we're doing with it. But yeah, it's going to be a nice little place to relax. A nice big area. We're going to do a swing, or I'm going to do one of those like twin size bed, like swinging day bed type things. Haven't decided yet. But then over here we got room for a couple rocking chairs. So you can sit out here, watch the pond, listen to the breeze blow through. See nobody and nothing all the way around you. Just the way it should be when you're trying to get away for a weekend. Until next time.